Trump's actions that potentially influence the entire cryptocurrency market have put the industry back in the spotlight. Could this be the turning point that advances cryptocurrency? We will have a conversation about it. Whether you like him or not, Trump's audacious pledges and policies that could encourage adoption are making news in the cryptocurrency industry. And there's always the question, might this be the moment that makes cryptocurrency mainstream, moving beyond Bitcoin to XRP? The markets are responding. How will this affect innovation, legislation, and cryptocurrency holdings? In the 2 days running up to this historic meeting on Friday, we're going into all the specifics and everything you need to know. Click like and subscribe, then let's look closely at everything. With crypto, people and things are going to get really fascinating. So, without further ado, let's get started. We need to cover a lot of ground. The largest crypto gathering in history is likely to take place in 2 days. Ethereum is now trading at $2,224, up 5.83%, and Bitcoin is at $89,957, up 7.31% over the last day. Both USDT and USDC are trading at 99 cents, and XRP is up more than 5% as well, trailing the pack and closing at $2,049. The current total market value of cryptocurrencies is $2.91 trillion, which is somewhat less than the total. This is good, you see. I don't know whether you watched Trump's address last night, but he didn't bring up or discuss cryptocurrency. At the beginning of the speech, cryptocurrency markets began to rise slightly. I had anticipated a pleasant little outbreak. If he had mentioned cryptocurrencies, I believe it would have exploded. The markets didn't dump, but he didn't. That's incredible. When consumers expected to hear about cryptocurrency during previous sessions and conferences and it wasn't, the markets would undoubtedly plummet. Nothing, though, we remained flat. I enjoy it. I enjoy it because it sets the stage for Friday's major activities. Take a look at this. People, what are you doing if you're not in that Telegram group? It's cost-free. All you need to do is use BiFi to swap. It's a cryptocurrency exchange. No VPN, no KYC, just your account's login and password. You can access it by entering your user ID and the command verify in Telegram and pressing enter. Yesterday, we released Curve Finance. All we did on it was a pleasant little 10x long. With a return on investment of more than 82%, it emerged victorious. Not too bad, isn't it? Get in, get out, bada bing, bada boom, entry 39 cents, exit 43 cents. The SEC Crypto Task Force will have a roundtable on security, according to a statement released by Bank XRP. Live streaming will be available. It says this first discussion will take place on March 21st, marking the start of the spring race toward the Crypto Clarity series. Security status is defined by how we got here and how we leave. There will be a lot of interest in this. We are all aware of how they arrived. You witnessed it with Billy Hinman and Jay Clayton. Gary Gensler created a huge hole for him, and Step-In dug an even bigger one for him. The question now is, how can we escape? Well, it's really easy to get out. You eliminate all corruption. You fire every employee who isn't accomplishing anything at all. I think the SEC recently dismissed another 45,000 people. Then you arrive with a new team, a new SEC, a new face, and a new appearance, and you go right in line with what they're doing right now, which is launching lawsuits everywhere. The Kraken case was recently dismissed. Coinbase has vanished. NFTs weren't securities, they said. I've lost that one. We have several ongoing and persistent crypto instances, and they all, pardon me, I had to sneeze. All of them are gone. You want to know what the fireworks will be for this event, and we have one more case to go. Everyone, we discussed this last year. We stated that if the SEC truly wants to change their appearance, it would be best if it brought in a new team and administration to begin clearing out all of the litigation and other nonsense that is currently going on. Finally, we announced that the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit was concluded. Of all of them, that is the most powerful. On CoinDesk, agreements are reached via consensus. Don't believe anything we say. View the comments made by previous sponsors. You know what? Ripple will once more reach a consensus. One of the most significant cryptocurrency events is this one. Ripple must be visible there. The presence of their staff at this event is crucial for any cryptocurrency you own. As the consensus stated, take their word for it rather than mine. The transactions take place here. Let's briefly discuss Chainlink. We are aware that the owner and founder of Chainlink will attend the Crypto Summit meeting in the White House on Friday. The intriguing thing is that Brad Garlinghouse's attendance has not been confirmed. We haven't received confirmation yet, so I'm not sure why he wouldn't be. We know Sergey from Chainlink will be present, but I hope he is. This chart, which was released about Link's monthly close, essentially stated that we may anticipate a higher probability target zone for Link sitting anywhere between $60 and $230 on Chainlink, if the monthly close on Link remains around the $14 to $15 level. This is what I am focusing on. I have been discussing Chainlink with you. Chainlink has been the subject of my sermons. Additionally, Chainlink will be in the crypto reserve. On Friday, they will attend the meeting. All of this has a purpose. The fact that Trump has only so far publicly named 5 cryptocurrencies does not imply that there will be any more. Other items will be added to this basket. We discussed Trump. We talked about how he would handle this and how he wouldn't put all of his or the nation's eggs in one basket, and he came out fighting and failing to do just that. This is fascinating. Before these assets are declared to be part of the U.S. crypto reserve, you want to invest in them. Trump continues to deliver. After a little more than a month in office, he continues to deliver. Everyone believed him to be a fraud. When he attended the Bitcoin conference, everyone assumed he was a fraud. He's just doing it to get votes, everyone said. Now, where are those folks? I no longer see them running their tongues while speaking. Do you know? Voters weren't the only reason he did it. He recognizes the potential of DLT and blockchain. He recognizes the technology's potential. He is aware of how critical it is for the United States to lead the crypto race. In just 4 weeks, he completed all of the tasks he had promised to complete at the Bitcoin conference. The first ever crypto symposium is currently taking place. To discuss this and our future, he is bringing the major figures in the cryptocurrency industry to the White House. If it wasn't Monday, Tuesday, or possibly even Friday, we're likely to hear it at some time. We're going to hear about cryptocurrency not being taxed. Trump just declared yesterday that he would enact legislation that would eliminate taxes on tips, overtime, and servers, which is fantastic. Where do you suppose it will go, then? Crypto is tax-free. 40 cryptocurrencies in the U.S. I want everyone's attention to be on that. This was released by the bank. Trump will announce a Bitcoin reserve policy at the White House Crypto Summit, according to Howard Lutnick. The article is intriguing. You are welcome to read it now. Today, the public is the source of it. He's implying that Trump will merely reveal a Bitcoin reserve policy, but I won't go into that detail with you. He won't bring up any other cryptocurrencies at the meeting on Friday. How responsible is the source now? Not very responsible. Is this man telling the truth? No, not at all. I anticipate that we will learn about a cryptocurrency reserve basket, its features, and how it will function. We will also discuss which more items should be included in this basket. Not all of the information from the summit will reach us, in my opinion. I believe he will also discuss how to entice them to return to the United States and what incentives they can offer to some of these corporations, some of the larger players that are not building there. You know, he just announced last night the Gold Pass, or Gold Card, if you will, which allows you to pay $5 million to become an American citizen and generate jobs in the United States if you are not already an American citizen. Yes, exactly. So that you can't pay $5 million. You can either obtain employment or U.S. citizenship. After that, You can immediately establish a large number of jobs in the United States. Don't wait. He's going to do something really unique for these markets for cryptocurrencies, people. I'm listening. Everyone is watching Friday. A breakout on Saturday is being demanded by many. That's what the charts indicate, they say. It will be intriguing to observe the outcome.